Hello and happy Valentine's Day to all my subscribers and for those that are passing by as well. I hope the ones that are passing by, that you sit down and you take a look at what I'm doing at my doll channel. And if you like it, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Now today I come to you with my Valentine Day baby. This baby is special to me because my husband passed away a little over 5 years ago. And it was about 6 years ago that him and I were in the car and we were going down one of our main streets in our city, and he had some money in his wallet and he wanted me to come with him to pick out something for Valentine's Day. It would many times in a row many Valentines back he would just buy me something and surprise me, but this year he wanted me to come with him. And so anyways, I said to him, I said, we haven't been in this antique store for a while. Let's take a look in there and see what they have, And so anyways, we were in there and he separated one way, I went another, and I was at the back of the store when all of a sudden he said this is what he said. He said, I heard this. Oh, what are you doing back here? And he knew right there it was time to open up his wallet and pay for what I found. And this is what I found. Now, when I got her, she was in a lot worse condition. She had a crack in the back of her head. It was a few years later that I had picked her up and accidentally dropped her on a corner of my one of my pieces of furniture, and her head hit it and it split a little bit further. I didn't need any more encouragement to fix another big split in her head, but I got it that day. And so anyways, I finally got the time, I put the time in and I restored her. This is her in her restoration look now. She's been fully restored. I gave her some nice beautiful green eyes, and I dug out her old irises that were cracked inside, and I gave her some beautiful green eyes. She's a toddler doll. She is also sitting with a cuddly Cupid probably from the 50s, 60s, but she is also, let's take the Cupid down, and she is wearing a beautiful gown. We'll push her back a little bit here so you can see her gown. This was, I got it off of eBay about the same time, right around her time that I got her, and it came from a family who wanted it to go to a good family. Even though they put it on eBay, it could have went to anybody. They were so happy to know that I was going to put this on a doll, and it was going to be displayed in videos and everything. And I gave them my channel so they could see it. It was a family heirloom. And myself personally, I don't know how they did it, how they parted with it, but they did. And it does come with a little bib as well. I do have the bib. And this was all hand embroidered by a family member. But anyhow, it's a beautiful little set. It comes with even the matching slip underneath. Like I said, I do have the bib. Here's the slip underneath, and it's just as well embroidered, just like the dress is. And a very beautiful little dress. I thought it was really nice for Valentine's Day. She's a big, gorgeous girl. Now I can show you on the back of her head. No, this cat likes these flowers. These flowers were given to my daughter by a special person in her life. And they came today, so I thought it'd be nice to show them off. But anyways, let's take a look where I fixed the split on the back of her head. She also got a brand new body. Her body was quite tattered, but the split, if you look, you can see it's still kind of there. It went from somewhere up here down to about there, and then it got some encouragement and went down a little bit further. She has no name on the back of her, but I airbrushed her hair. I think it turned out rather quite nicely. I'm not an expert on airbrushing, but I think she looks wonderful. So there she is without her bonnet on. I think she just looks fabulous, Great big toddler. Probably, she's got those little cookie chompers there. And her teeth are just coming in, anywhere from 6 months and up. They're getting her teeth and all that stuff. Mind you, my oldest was earlier than that. He was like 3 months getting teeth. And, but anyhow, yeah, she was fun to restore. Now, I'll put her first video of me restoring her right down below. You'll see a link for it. Look for the link if you want to see her in her worst condition. And then you can follow along if you want of her restoration, if that's what you would like to do. But she's a beautiful doll. I adore her. And I will always adore her. And I want her to stay in the family. I was talking about it with my daughter, that this is something I wish you keep. Because it came from my husband. I bought many dolls with my husband, but this one was on Valentine's Day. We went out purposely to go buy something, and he didn't know what to get me, and this is what I told him. I want this doll. I'm going to fix it up. It's always going to be. It will be in my Valentine's videos every year. And yeah, she's one of my little gems, you know, that I just adore. And I like to keep her in the family with this gown and everything, because you can't buy this gown. It's a one-of-a-kind gown, you know, like you'll never buy this again. And it has history behind it too. So I do have the envelope that it came in, and so I know what part of the country it came from. And which is always great to know those things and the people that, you know, that sold it and everything. But she's a beautiful doll, shows very well, now that, especially now that she's been restored and everything. But the restoration took a little bit of time because of the crack and everything, but she was wonderful to work on. Now, I hope everybody's having a great Valentine's Day, I should say, and that you're eating a lot of chocolate, and that you're also getting flowers. I'm enjoying my daughter's flowers, so I get to enjoy them just as well. So I get to look at their beauty. So in the middle of our cold winter day today, we've got more snow coming. We just got more again. And I just dug out the driveway again. And but I guess there's more coming on Saturday and Sunday. So we got the house packed full of food. We're fine. We don't need to go out for anything. My daughter made Valentine cupcakes today, so we're enjoying those as well. So that puts a spark in our Valentine's Day. I hope everybody has a good one, though, all the same. Whatever the weather may be, we can make the best, even in the worst weather. So have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your dolls. Enjoy the loving on your dolls, because that's what Valentine's Day is all about. Is about loving dolls. No, it is more than that, but it is also that as well. And I hope you have a good time, though. So thank you for joining me. And give me a thumbs up if you like what you see here today, what you came to see and saw, and you enjoyed it. I hope you can give me a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment. That's my mail in the air, I call it. So thank you again, and we'll be coming back again, probably with some more little babies today, I'm hoping to do. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.